Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to run PyVisualizer in NS3.45. First, make sure all required dependencies are installed. Next, navigate to your ns3.45 directory where your simulation scripts are located. Now, run your simulation script with PyVisualizer enabled. For example, once the simulation starts, PyVisualizer will launch a GUI showing your network topology. This helps in understanding packet flow and node behavior visually. If PyVisualizer doesn't show up, ensure your Python bindings are correctly installed and your environment supports GUI applications. We successfully run PyVisualizer with NS3.45. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.